dress for sleeves, gets us through all kinds of weather. She will always be the only thing that comes between me and the awful sting that comes from living in a world that's so damn.
You're living in the past with a new generation. And a girl can do what she wants to do, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't give a damn about my bad reputation. Oh no, not me. And I don't give a damn about my reputation. I never said I wanted to improve my station. Please no one, and I don't give a damn about my bad reputation. I wanna go, but not me. Oh no, not me.
From misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way from misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way to what I want from this world. And years from now, you'll make it to the next world. And everything that you receive up yonder is what you give to me the day I wonder. I took a right turning yesterday. Yeah, I took a right turning yesterday. I took the road that brought me to your hometown. I took the bus to streets that I could walk down. I walked the streets to find the one I'm looking for. I climbed the stair that led me to your front door. And now that I don't want for anything, I have all Joseph saying I'm sitting on top of the world. I'll do my best, I'll do